All right, well, back again. Just got back from a little test ride slash joyride, and or should I say, manual steering sucks. So obviously the manual rack wouldn't work out. My options are order a manual rack from Rod and Custom direct, so it lines up and fits, or stick with this here power rack with the hoses looped and continue to fight the tight turn radius, because I think this is 2.5 turns lock to lock. Manual one, this manual one at least, I think was 3.5 turns lock to lock. I have no clue what Rod and Customs is, but it'll be more than that because manual racks tend to have more turns lock to lock. I can tell you right now, I couldn't hoon a whole lot in this thing without power, because there's no quick counter steer on this thing as it is, in my opinion. Like, you're fighting steering too much unless you're moving. So I'll be looking into something to fix that. But on the plus side, she's drivable again. And I just have to finish burning off all of the power steering fluid that leaked onto my header wrap down there, which kind of scared me, because since it was the first time these pulleys have ran, I kind of worried that the pulley or the belt was rubbing on something, because I got back to the shop and parked it, and smoke's just like pouring out of the hood. I'm like, oh God, please tell me I didn't forget to tighten some fitting or whatever. Hopefully it's not an oil leak. Really hoping I'm not gonna pop the hood and there'll be a fire. But yeah, it's just the fluid burning off or smoking off, which I figured was gonna happen because I knew I spilled some pulling those lines loose and pulling the reservoir. So I'll end it with, yeah, manual steering sucks, power steering for the win, and I'll definitely be looking into electric power or something, because it's rough. It's rough. Yeah. She runs good again. I did order an alignment tool from Tenhausen, something like that. Forgot to. So I got an alignment tool. I'm gonna do my own damn alignment. And I did notice that my steering wheel is not centered now that I played with pulling the rack. I thought I got it back to perfect. It's not, so I'll have to mess with the alignment and get that back correct where the steering wheel is straight. I'll do that probably all at the same time when I do my alignment, because right now that's straight, more or less. Actually, one of the wheels actually might be cut inward a little bit, because I probably didn't get the tie rods the exact same before, which also might be fighting why it's so hard to steer. Anyways, all right guys, keep it short, sweet. Till next time, later.